tuko na afya, basi kuhakikisha
only 5 minutes. Really?
I think
for the union makes us strong.
So we are asking the university management to come out clear and sit down with the KMPDU through a return to work formula and paying our doctors all those monies. Unless such is done, then this strike has no option but to continue.
Ideally, the funds were released from the treasury, and not only to Moi University. These funds were released to all the public university to pay all the doctor lecturers based on the CBA 2017 agreement. But only Moi University has been playing a lot of chicanery and a lot of games with these particular funds, to the point that they're only out intimidating these particular lecturers and acting lecturers to act on fate.